President Buhari on Monday arrived in Lagos, probably for the last time as president. Buhari, during the 2 days working visit, will commission the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Immortal Rice Mill, and other projects like the Rando Cultural Center, among others. Former governor of Enugu State and PDP stalwart Chimaroke Nnamani on Monday openly endorsed the candidacy of APC Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the highest position in the country. Nnamani is currently facing disciplinary actions by his party, with the party citing anti-party activities, among other offenses. The People's Democratic Party has called on the EFCC, ICPC, NDLEA, and CCT to join forces to investigate and consequently prosecute the candidate of the APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, ahead of the February 25th general elections. The party stated that Bola Tinubu is not only a drug lord, but a corrupt official who used his office as a former governor to bleed Lagosians dry of their resources. Nigerians on social media are concerned about the state of the nation 1 month before the general elections. The world citizens are complaining bitterly about the fuel crisis rocking the nation, the epileptic power supply, inflation, and the insecurity plaguing the country. Delta strongman and former governor James Ibori on Monday abandoned his erstwhile political party, the PDP, to pitch his tent with the candidate of the APC, Ovie Omo-Agege, in the forthcoming Delta State governorship election. The APC presidential rally in Bauchi was abruptly put to sleep after the speakers and the electrical equipment suddenly developed technical glitches.